So in our series about real estate management, yeah, I can't believe it's been a year. I can't believe the year is over, you know? Like, where did all the time go? Hi guys, hey, I'm back with a bang. Also, I hope. I can't believe it's 2 months, the end of the year. Like, just like that, the year is done. You know, 2 months and it's done. Can you believe it? I know I can't believe it. So I fell off the wagon multiple times. But thanks for persevering and walking this journey with me. You know, it takes a village to build. So some of you said you'd like to see more of Africa, right? So today I'm shooting outdoors. Check this out. Behind me you can see an orange plant. Over here is a mini orchard. Can you see the orange plant? This side? And then over here you can see a banana plant. So cool, right? Yeah, and over there you can see a soursop plant. And then over there you can see a pumpkin plant. Yeah guys, I hope you all know the benefits of soursop. That's what a soursop plant looks like. For those of you outside Africa, even inside Africa, that wanted to see more of Africa on the ground, I hope this helps. Yeah, so cool, right? Yeah guys, so chasing your dreams is no walk in the park. Life happens, you fall off the wagon. Remember, a righteous man is not one who never falls. A righteous man is one who always gets back up each time he falls. So thanks for, also works for women as well. Yeah, anyway, so guys, thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I can't believe the year is done. I am going to try and shoot an episode a day. No, a week. An episode a week. And I hope you guys will keep tuning in and supporting me as I try to pursue this journey. So guys, I hope you all bathe every day. Yeah, like every day, not just some days, not when you have a date, not only when you have a date or a board meeting. Yeah, I hope you all bathe every day, right? And I hope you also always clean your living spaces, right? You know, we all know that we have to clean the places that we live, you know, like your house, your room, your workspace, and all of that, right? You have to clean. Yeah, sweep, mop, get rid of the spider webs, you know, all of that stuff. Anyway, so our series, real estate management, yeah. I'm tired, guys. But I promised I'd push this to the end. Anyway, so our series, real estate management, unexpected costs for real estate management. Yeah, so you always clean your living spaces, right? Yeah. So did you know that when it comes to your real estate portfolio, there is additional costs that you have to consider, even on the exterior of your asset? When it comes to the exterior of your asset, the first thing that comes to mind is painting, right? Yeah. Painting, very important. But did you know that you need to start from the top? You know when you're bathing how you always start with your head and then work your way down? Yeah, same thing for your asset. When you're maintaining your asset, you also have to start from the roof to the bottom. Turns out, I myself just only recently learned this. Turns out that you also have to wash your roof tiles. Yeah. Yeah, as long as you're willing to learn, learning never stops. So yeah, if your roof tiles are looking a little bit run down, the first thing that might come to your mind is that you need to redo your roof, right? If it's clay tiles, right? You'll be thinking you need to redo your roof. You'll be thinking you probably need to throw out the tiles, maybe they're too tired, you know? But all that stuff that you see is just mold and fungus from weather damage. So basically, to take care of your roof tiles, all you need is a specialized pressurized system to help you get rid of all of that gunk that comes from weather damage. So I just love this and I had so much fun shooting this. I hope you have as much fun watching it as I did shooting it. So in case you would like to have your roof tiles restored, be sure to send us a message, reach out, and our dedicated team will be more than delighted to swing into action. Yeah, Tales by Africa. We're all about empowering Africans to achieve their maximum potential by the use of the internet. Yeah, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir, jambo, mwalava, bye. So fascinating, right? So all you need to clean your roof tiles will be a power source, an electric power source, because that's going to run the motor and the device that you'll be using. You also need a supply of water. So the motor is attached to the water source. Yep, fascinating. Check that out. Yeah, and then it's moved into the pressurized device. Yep, that's the motor. As you can see, it's rotating over here. So we can see the weather damage on the house. Yep, this is the wiring for the device. Men at work, let's get started. So we can literally see the change, the impact instantaneously in real time, just by the use of a pressurized water device. So fascinating. Wow. Over here we see a quick demonstration of before, during, and after. Wow. you're looking for a pressurized washer to purchase, the market leader for pressurized washers is definitely Kärcher. Hope I pronounced it right. So over here we get to see the interior, we see the compressor, and yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. So fascinating. Wow. So literally this is the device you'll be using. This is all you will need as your tool. So this is what it looks like when the cover has been returned to its position. Yeah, Kärcher, the leading manufacturer of pressurized cleaning equipment, available worldwide. So whether you're in Africa, whether you're in Europe, whether in Australia, North America, South America, worldwide, you can definitely be able to find this world-class pressurized equipment. Check out this fascinating before, during, and after. Wow. So fascinating to watch. Wow, check that out. So what causes the staining on clay roof tiles anyway? Stains on clay roofing tiles are primarily caused by organic growth like algae and moss. These thrive in damp areas and can cause black or green streaks. Other causes include environmental factors such as pollution, UV exposure, and minerals in water runoff, mineral stains, as well as metal components. Wow, look at that, looking really nice. After the cleaning is done on this section, compare and contrast to the area that's still covered in the stains. Wow. When it comes to the exterior of your asset, buildings, the first maintenance of exterior spaces of your asset, the first thing that comes to mind is definitely painting. We all know about periodic painting, right? So did you know there's other expenses you have to consider, like your roof tiles? Yeah, I myself just recently learned about roof tiles, the maintenance that's required for caring for roof tiles. So when you look at your roof tiles, after duration of time, you start to notice that they start to change color. They start to get patches of blackish, grayish, brownish patches, right? And that's actually algae and mold that's created from weather damage. It's perfectly normal. It's part of life. Yeah. So an accumulation of that moisture, the fungus, as well as dust that's coming up from the atmosphere, from traffic, and from everything as you know it in the atmosphere starts to accumulate over your roof tiles. So your house will start to look a little bit tired, start to look a little bit older than it actually is, just because your roof tiles have that accumulated dirt. Yeah. So you might be thinking, maybe perhaps I need to redo my roof. Maybe perhaps I need to throw these tiles out and get new ones and have the roof reinstalled. Turns out that's not the case. Turns out that all you have to do is get a pressurized system that actually just gets rid of all of that gunk using pressurized water. Oxidation is also definitely a factor. Yeah. So when it comes to organic growth, examples are algae and moss. These thrive in moist, shady areas and can cause discoloration, black streaks inclusive of bacteria, and create a fuzzy appearance. Ooh, look at that before and after, just so magnificent. Wow. The impacts of organic growth, such as algae and moss, is that it traps moisture, which can weaken or erode the tiles and attract pests over time. Environmental factors. Here we have pollution, UV exposure, and mineral stains. The kärcher pressurized cleaner has multiple use, as you can see in the video. Surfaces as well as walls, glasses, all can be used. Under pollution, airborne pollutants can contribute to discoloration and staining. So behind the scenes today, we get to see how that's actually done. It's so fascinating to see the before, the during, and the after. Yeah. And yeah, I had so much fun shooting this. I hope you guys will have so much fun watching it as well. Remember, we live and we learn. As long as you're willing to learn, learning never ever stops. Yeah. And under UV exposure, sunlight can cause clay tiles to fade over time, giving them a washed out or patchy appearance. Mineral stains. Minerals in rainwater, especially in areas with hard water, can leave white, gray, or brown deposits on the tiles. Acidic rain also tends to have these components. Other causes include rust stains, metal components on the roof such as flashing, nails or screws can oxidize and run down onto the tiles, causing reddish brown streaks. So your maintenance procedure for the external part of your asset should start with the roof. After you're done with the roof, then you can proceed to painting. We see the team covering tremendous ground, as you can see in the video. Wow. Check that out. All the stains are gone. All the lichens, the moss, the algae, it's all gone. Wonderful work from the excellent team. Wow. Give these guys all your money, guys. Wow, guys. So we have gotten to see in real time the impacts, the efficiency of the pressurized cleaner. Just like that, all the weather damage is gone, all of the moss, all the algae, all of it, all gone. And the clay tiles now look just as good as new in the burnt brick orange color. So beautiful. Give this team all your money, guys. Tales by Africa, chasing our dreams, empowering Africa to pursue their maximum potential through the power of the internet. Keep watching, guys, keep watching. So we've gotten to see in real time the before and the after. So fascinating. So all of that weather damage, look at the before, the before, yeah, this is what it looks like before. This is the after, guys. Definitely worth it. So in case your house That's if it's roofed with clay tiles. Yeah. If your house is looking rundown and you've been wondering what you could do to fix the roof, reach out to us so that our team can reach out and have your roof tiles restored. You don't have to throw your tiles out. Turns out they just have to be cleaned. Yeah, so Tiles by Africa, on a mission to empower Africans to achieve their maximum potential with the power of the internet. So thanks for your time, guys. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen, Jambo, Mwelava. Bye.